Before watching this video, don't forget to download the example located in the information column. Hello everyone, when seeing a form full of data, you can see the difference quickly. How can we do to make it clear at first sight? In this class, we'll talk about chart formatting. There are many different ways you can go about formatting your chart. Today, we just talk about basic way to format. First, you choose the form you want to format as chart. Then click Insert and you can choose any type of chart you want. And let's see the video. You select the cell that you want to format and click Insert and choose any type of chart you want. And you can get a chart that is easy to see the difference between each other. If you don't like the style and the color of the chart, click the brush on the right of the chart. You can see you got a list of styles and color. You can select color or you can select the style. And there, let's see the video. Click the brush and choose the style. You can just go ahead and hover over it and you can see down below in the spreadsheet the preview of that style. If you don't like the color, just click color to change it. And let's see the video. You click color and you can also go ahead and hover over it and you can see down below in the spreadsheet the preview of that color. Also, you can click the page layout, go to the themes group and there it is color. Click on it and you can get many tabs through the entire workbook with that theme. And let's see the video. Click page layout and find the color, click it and you can choose any style of the color. And you can also just go ahead and hover over it and you can see down below in the spreadsheet the preview of that style. And at the end, you'll get a beautiful and customized chart. And that's all our content in this class. If you like this video, please click like and don't forget to subscribe our channel PassByValue and CKU. Thanks for your attention.